Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, YouTube friends and family. Welcome to the channel. And we have an unboxing here, a true unboxing, because I have not opened, well, I have the box out. I've taken it out the shipping packaging, but I have not opened the box. This is a shoe from Cobbler Union, and it's not for me. It's actually for a family member, my uncle. And you can see what we have here. Barcelona laces. It's in navy suede, and it's going to be different. And it's on the BCN last, and that is the size a US. It's 11.5 UK, but 12.5 US. So if you saw my other video, I purchased a pair of Allen Edmonds loafers for my uncle, and I wasn't overly excited about them, but you know, they were okay. So I was actually gonna take them back to Allen Edmonds in exchange for something different, and I decided this time let him look at what I want to exchange them for. He looked at them and he said he didn't like them, and then he mentioned that he wanted some driving loafers. I was like, okay. So I went straight to Cobbler Union website and I picked up these driving loafers, and he picked out the color as well, so we can ensure that he will be satisfied with what he gets. So here we go. Unboxing Cobbler Union. First thing we have is one shoe bag. One shoe bag. It's like a cotton type material, and we have one, and we have two. Now, right off the bat, I think the color is a little different. The color on the website isn't represented as the color I see. The color on the website was quite dark, like a true navy. This is it's navy, but it's kind of a faded navy to me. I did order shoe trees as well, as you can see. And I'm not too familiar with driving loafers. I have a pair, but it's not something that I would just want to go out and purchase. But here you have them in navy suede. I couldn't tell you much else about them. This is a Vibram sole here. This gives good traction, and as you can see, it actually goes up to the back of the heel there, which I'm not sure why, but again, I'm not too familiar with driving loafers, so I'm sure it has some purpose. The insole is actually removable. You have footbed there, nothing much to it. The insole, it's just your foam, just a foam type insole. It says Cobbler Union on it. So you guys out there, if you are fans of driving loafers and you have a couple pair, or you know what to look for, let me know in the comments. But for me, I'm not too excited. For me. And there's the other pair there. Like I say, really, this navy is not the navy that was on the website. The navy on the website it just looked dark. This is almost like a slate blue to me. And I'm a big, blue is my favorite color, especially navy blue. A dark navy blue is my favorite color, so I don't know. So anyway, there you have it, guys. A quick unboxing and first looks at the driving loafers, the Barcelona from Cobbler Union. we will catch you on the next one, which will be coming up real soon. I'm expecting another shipment in, and which is going to be much more exciting than these. I guarantee you. All right. So take care, guys. We'll see you on the next one.